So we're getting ready to cut some brackets out for the 4-link that Chucky's Chop Shop helped us out with. And you can check him out on all platforms at that handle. So we've got our cardboard template here marked out, ready to rock and roll. And we've got that transferred over to our steel. And what we're using is the YESWELDER Cut 55 DS Pro to cut this out. And what I like about this, you can run this on 110 or 220 and you need about 45 to 90 PSI to run this. So what we're going to do is get our little plate run off, and then we've got our torch here, the IPT40 torch, which is an upgraded head, and it comes with the training wheels. Now this is an upgraded torch, it's a non-touch pilot arc setup. So what we're going to do is get our arc here just by pressing the button, because we have our power as well as our air, and we're just going to run this directly across that. So that pneumatic is actually going to blow that molten metal right out of the way with that arc. So let's get this cut out using the Cut 55 DS Pro. So when it comes to our air supply, we're using our 4-stage pneumatic system coming from Telon's. Now this right here is your dryer, your secondary, and then you have your incandescent beads with that too. So we've got our ball valve shut here, so we've got that opened up. Now we know that we're running somewhere in between 45 to 90 PSI, depending on the thickness of the material that we are cutting. Now, once we get through this 4-stage dryer system, we've got our push connect that comes directly into the back of the YESWELDER regulator and separator as a secondary. So now we've got the push lock pressed in, we turn our power on, we come over the front side, and we can see our display lets us know that we're set up on 2T, 220 volt, we're setting on 87 PSI. When we press the trigger, that's going to drop down some, and we're setting at 55 amps. So now that we've got this set up, we've got it grounded, we've got our template laid out, and we're ready to drag this across. So what we're going to do is get this cut off of it, get it isolated, and then we're going to go back and cut the individuals out in a more comfortable setting here. So let's get to cutting. Let's get good and comfortable here. That's our drag. Now let's get our cut. Burnt the piss out of me. Bam! And just like that, we've got a nice clean cut with minimal draws coming on the bottom side of that. So that would have took me a lot longer using a 4.5-inch angle grinder, not to mention the consumables that I'd have to spend changing out and replacing. Hey, just like that, a good clean cut with a good straight edge here. So if you'd like to find more details coming from YESWELDER on their Cut 55 or 65 DS non-high frequency setup, hey, they've got a banging sale going on right now, and that's the time that you want to look into it. So if you want to find more details on it, check it out at the link down below. But the YESWELDER Cut 55 and 65 DS, I've been using for about 1.5 years now, and I've replaced minimal when it comes to the consumables. As well, I have not had any complications with the unit itself. So definitely stand behind the company as well as the machines. Check it out, guys. Sweet setup.